So I just wanted to share this. This is something I picked up, these little maintenance packs. You can get these at your local hardware store, your big box hardware store, what have you. But this is something that has saved me so much time over the last year. And today, once again, a little bolt fell out of a desk, one of our office desks, and I had to come out and get one because the other one was stripped. I've got the regular one here and the metric here. And then if you look down here, I've actually got one for sheet metal screws here. These things cost about $20, give or take, somewhere in that ballpark. It can save you time, and it can save you a little bit of money because of time. But they have little kits that have a variety of different sizes, and they show you the sizes. And then, of course, everything's right there for you to grab and have access to for quick and easy replacement. Because there's many times something this size, it may not be the exact head type you need, but it will get you going and be able to function. And then every once in a while, I've had to go to the hardware store, my small town hardware store, and just pick up 2 or 3 just to keep these little trays replenished, because you start using a couple of these and they're gone right away. So just a little quick tip here, get yourself some of the maintenance packs, have those on hand. And of course, I have them in my little cabinet here so that I can have them, well, I'll move this out of the way, in the cabinet, on its way, and we're good to go for the next time.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.